Welcome back to my channel. Please try this crispy and delicious corn fritters made effortlessly in the air fryer. Let's dive right in. Add vegetable of your choice. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take a small portion and make fritter like this. Set for 20 minutes at 180 degrees C. After approx 8 minutes, apply oil. Then flip it. Apply oil in this side as well. Keep on flipping after 5 minutes. Now, ready to serve. Thanks for joining in today. If you enjoyed this easy corn fritters recipe, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious recipe. Happy cooking!